Today, we will show you how to set up two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator mobile application. Two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator mobile app is an additional security step to access Exely Extranet and view bank card details. Download and install the Google Authenticator mobile application. In the Exely Extranet on your computer, click your login in the top right corner and click My Profile link. Switch to the Security section. In the two-factor authentication settings, click Configure. Pay attention! If you do not see two-factor authentication settings in the Security section, you need to verify your email address in the Personal Info section. Click the Continue button. The setup instructions with QR code will be shown. Log into Google Authenticator application and click Plus to add a code. Select the preferred way of confirmation. Scan QR code from the screen using your mobile phone, or click the Enter Activation Code link in the Exely Extranet. The activation code will be shown. Click Enter a setup key in Google Authenticator mobile application, enter the code and click Add. The application will generate the verification code. Enter the verification code in the Exely Extranet and click the Continue button. Click Complete. Two-factor authentication setting is completed. In My Profile section, you will see that mobile authenticator application verification codes are connected to this user. After setting up two-factor authentication via mobile application, you will be able to log into your Exely Extranet using one-time codes or use the code to view bank card details. If for some reason you need to link another account in the mobile application, go to the two-factor authentication section and click the Reset Settings button. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you can also use our knowledge base.